basic and what advanced, guys. Yes, boss. Yesterday I have given list of components, guys. Anyone seen that list of components? These are the basic components we are having. These are the advanced components. Today I would like to develop one web application. If these components are giving single value, then we have to use request.get parameter method. If these components are giving multiple values, then we have to use request.get parameter values method. Which method, guys? Request.get parameter values method. So today our requirement is developing developing HTML to servlet communication application, HTML to servlet communication application covering multiple HTML form components. Covering multiple HTML form components. Cool, guys. Covering multiple HTML form components. Yes, boss. Now let's get into our application. Switch workspace, NTHB 114. Where is this 114? Not there. Huh? How come, guys? Where it is gone? 114 is there. Is there, is there. Right. Now listen, guys. For better alignment, for better designing, we have to take HTML components, HTML form components as the content of HTML table. What's the advantage, guys? If all HTML components are part of HTML rows and columns, if I say table align right, entire table will be aligned right. If I say table align left, entire table will be aligned left. If I say table align center, entire, I need not to align things separately, guys. Are you understanding my statement? I need not to align things separately. So today my basic requirement is covering maximum components. Maximum means maximum components. So from yesterday's list, let me copy that. Okay, save, not a problem. Yes, from that list, let me save all the components, guys. Copy this file, open, save, paste. Right, all these components are there, guys. Now tell me, it is recommended to take HTML form components as the content of as the content of HTML table, as the content of HTML DB table. Understanding my statement? As the content of HTML DB table, so that applying styles, okay, performing alignment of the form components becomes easy. Applying style, performing alignment of the form components becomes easy, guys. Very, very easy process. It really becomes an easy process. Are you getting my point, guys? Super. Shall we concentrate, guys? File, close all editors. Okay. File, new, dynamic web project. I want to cover almost all the components, guys. Okay. Hmm. Tell me here, dynamic, what is the project? Form components app. What is the number? Form components app. What's the number? Number is form components app number 8. 8. Okay. All components. Yo, let me rename all form components. Save. Okay. All form components. Right, boss. Right click. Here is my HTML file, guys. Form.html, guys. Finish. Here is my HTML file. Form.html. Finish. Nice. In this form.html, let me open this form.html in the view mode, guys. Web page editor mode. Open with web page editor. Open with web page editor, guys. Open with web page editor. Okay. Now listen. H1 style. Color colon red. Text hyphen align sender. HTML to servlet communication using all form components. HTML to servlet communication using all form components. I hope you understood my point there. Yes, guys. Now tell me after that, what is the next story to focus on, guys? What is the next story? HTML to servlet communication using all form components. Using all form components. Okay. Tell me, what is the story, guys? Yes. Here is my form action. Okay. Mm, action. What is the name of the servlet, guys? I just want to process servlet, otherwise form URL, form processing servlet. So form URL I am taking. Method is equal to post. Method is equal. Yes, guys. Table open closing. Here is what? Border is equal to 1. Hmm. Align is equal to center. Align is equal to center. See, if I align the table, okay, total form components will be aligned because entire form components I am taking in the table, guys. Align is equal to center. Border is equal to 1. Align is equal to center. BZ color is equal to CR. Okay, so BZ color is equal to CR. TR opening and closing, guys. Seriously, literally, TR opening and closing. Here what? TD opening and closing. Again, TD opening and closing. Right. Here, okay. I just want to cover all the things, guys. Name, all the component. TH is not required. No heading row, na? That's why not required. Yes, guys. Input type is equal to text. Name is equal to name. Name is equal to name. Okay, this is done. See, we can see the preview there. Like this, I want to do this. Okay, come on. We have to open by using web page editor option. Some people won't try to expose their age, guys. Okay, there is a saying, age of a girl, salary of a boy should not be asked. Whenever you ask, you will get wrong figures, right? So if you ask age of a girl, she says 16 plus. Okay, when that 16 years completed 10 years back. Okay, you ask a salary of a boy, he always gives wrong figure except one, two situations. Except in one, two situations, he always gives wrong figures. Okay. He says, I'm getting that much salary that is required for my hand to mouth, that is required for family needs. He never give figure. He never gives figure. He always says what? Okay, is input type is equal to password. Name is equal to is. Name is equal to is. Nice. Copy this, paste it. Input type is equal to address. Input type is equal to address. Here I am going to take text area. Here I am going to have a text area. Okay. Now what is the tag for a text area, guys? Text area opening and closing. Text area opening and closing, guys. Rows is equal to 10. Columns is equal to, okay. Columns is equal to some 5. Oh, columns is equal to 10. I think I have to take rows is equal to 5. Okay. Columns is equal to 15. Yes, that's looking nice. Columns is equal to 15. I just want to have a message. Enter, enter address. That's it. I just want to have a message, enter address. Or if you don't write also, not a issue, guys. If you don't write also, not a issue. Listen, guys. So and person holds the cursor there, I want to get one message, guiding message. Placeholder. What is that? Placeholder. Enter person name. Like this, I want to get. Enter person is placeholder. Enter person is. Nice, guys. Okay. Next. Placeholder. Enter person address. So that's fine, guys. Next, what is this? Copy this, paste it. Copy this, paste it. Tell me here what is there. Okay, now I want to get a gender. Okay, gender means we have to group radio buttons, guys. In order to group radio button checkboxes, we have to give same name to multiple radio buttons. Right, guys. Gender. Gender. Yes, here what is that? Input type is equal to. Input type is equal to radio. Input type is equal to radio. Name is equal to gender. Value is equal to M. The data I want to send is mail. Ampersand NBSP semicolon. NBSP semicolon. Yes, here is my female, guys. Here is my female. I want to see this one as a selected item. I want to see this one as a not selected, checked item. Checked is a standalone attribute, guys. By default, I want to see male as the checked item. Checked item. Understanding my statement, guys. Okay. So this is the story, guys. 1 minute I want to write. Okay. Okay. by giving same name to multiple radio buttons. Same name to multiple radio buttons. Radio buttons. We can group them into, understanding my point there. No, ID generally we used to access from JavaScript. To read the value from the in the servlet component name within the servlet JSP, if you want to use the component value name within the JavaScript, if you want to access ID. Yeah, okay. Within the JavaScript you want to access ID, guys. Okay, if within the Java code you want to access this, go for what? A name. Especially for form component, names works, remaining tags ID works. Form component name is work. Name is like ID only. For remaining components, you go for ID. So JavaScript identifies the tag using ID. Okay, servlet JSP component form components are identified with the name. We can group into single unit. That means we can select one radio button at a time from that group. At a time from that group. Okay. NBSP to get the spaces, guys, non-breaking space. Non-breaking space. Like if you give space bar, it won't give space. Non-breaking space. If you want to get the space, you have to use entities, guys. Radio button. Next, one more point, guys. Okay. Radio button. Radio button does not send. Radio button does not send selected item data, selected item to the selected item to server as a request param value. It sends it sends the value kept in value attribute. The value kept in value attribute. Come on, guys. It sends the value kept in value attribute. What is that? MRF. MRF. Okay. To the server as the request parameter value. Okay, guys. Now, according to whatever we select, that will come. The value kept in value attribute MRF to the server as request parameter value. I hope you are understanding my statement, guys. Next, marital status, guys. Marital status. I think one checkbox is self. If selected, marital status. Marital status. Okay. Okay. Mohan Miktrari, that's what I said. If you want to group multiple radio buttons into single unit, you should use same name. Okay. But selected item will not go to server as request parameter value. Come on. So the value kept in value attribute against the selected item will go to server as request parameter value. This is my marital status, guys. Input type is equal to radio. Sorry, checkbox, single checkbox I am going to take. Here is my checkbox, guys. Checkbox. Name is equal to, here is my checkbox. Name is equal to MS. Value is equal to married. And here also, by default, I want to select it. I don't want to select. Here is what checked. Here also what checked. Fine. ampersand NBSP semicolon, comma, ampersand AMP semicolon, ampersand, come on, ampersand NBSP semicolon, ampersand AMP semicolon, ampersand LT semicolon, ampersand GT semicolon, GT semicolon, and etc. are called entities of HTML. In Java, we have escape sequence character na double quote, slash single quote, slash slash slash. Come on, entities of HTML, and they are given to display special symbol to display special symbols on the browser, and they are given to display special symbols on the browser. I hope you enjoyed my point, guys. Come on. Right. And they are given to display special symbols on the browser. Right, boss. Next. Yeah, here is not required, guys. Okay. Next. Okay. Next one. Qualification. I want to take drop down box, nothing but combo box. Qualification. Here is my select box, guys. Name is equal to. Here is my select box, guys. Name is equal to QLFY. Any name you can take, guys. No problem. QLFY. Tell me. Option value is equal to. Yesterday we discussed qualification. I want to take it. One qualification will be there now, guys. Okay, I will give like this. ENGG, engineering, BTech, BE, MTech, ME. Option. Yeah. So first item should be default item, guys. Otherwise, we don't get chance to select first item. Okay. Option value is equal to dot dot dot. Otherwise, empty string. Select a value. Select a value. Next. Option value medico, guys. Option value medico. Option value medico. Tell me. Okay. MBBS, MBBS, MD, MD, BDS. Okay. BDS. Come on, guys. BDS, BPS. Okay. We have a lot of things. Next. Arts, guys. Arts, guys. BA, MA, kind of thing. BA, MA. Commerce. What is this? Commerce. Like this, I'm giving some options, guys. Commerce. Commerce means, okay. Commerce. BCom, MCom, CA, kind of. Yes. So here is my qualification, guys. Here is my qualification. Nice. Right. Next one, boss. Next one. Yeah, this is select box we got. Next one, what I want to get is list box, guys. The next one, what I want to get is list box. Favorite colors. Acha, for color box is there. 1 minute. For color box is there. Yeah, you can add more multiple thing. I want to see people selecting more than one item. I want to see people selecting more than one item. File uploading component I don't cover today. I will cover that one tomorrow. Don't worry. File uploading component, I will cover that one tomorrow. Hobbies, multiple checkboxes I'll take. I want to take something for list box. I want to take something for list box. 1 minute. Favorite, favorite cities. Okay. Why we use QLFI? Are name of the form component, Ra Babu. Biswajit, you have to spend some time in w3schools.com, boss. Every component should have a name, and I am also giving name. You didn't question when I give name to checkbox. You didn't question when I give name to radio button. You didn't question when I give name when I have not given name to text area. Right. So I have given QLFI as the name, shortcut for qualification. How I am taking address, ADDRS, similarly qualification. Daily we are writing like that only, na. Favorite cities, guys. I want to see people selecting favorite cities. Now listen, favorite cities. Okay, there is a standalone attribute called multiple. No value is required. Value is not required. There is a standalone attribute called multiple, guys. Yeah, then select box become list box. What is the difference between select box and list box? In select box, we can select one item at a time. In list box, we can select multiple items at a time by holding control key. Okay, it looks like border. Favorite cities. Hyderabad here. Okay, otherwise here go for MT1. MT1. Okay. Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Next, Delhi, New Delhi. Next, Delhi, New Delhi. Next one, Bangalore, Bangalore. Bangalore. Next, Bangalore, Bangalore. Next, Mumbai, Navi Mumbai. Mumbai, Navi Mumbai. Okay, right. You can add more things. I think here selective value is not required, guys, because everything is visible. Here we can add one more city. You can add one more city. Come on. Here what? Indoor, indoor, indoor. And I want to see some cities as default selected items, guys. This is selected. This is selected, and Delhi also. This is selected. This is selected. This is selected. Okay. By default, I want to see both the items as selected items. Okay, boss. Now, Gujarat is not the city name, Ras. So, Subi, it is a state name. Right. Favorite cities, guys. Favorite cities. So I'm this one. Next one, hobbies, guys. I would like to take hobbies. Here are my hobbies, guys. Here are my hobbies. Come on, come on. Are you with me, guys? Here are my hobbies, guys. Here are my hobbies. Right. Okay. Now I have to take multiple checkboxes. TD opening and closing, guys. Okay. Before that, let me add a comment. Combo box. What is this combo box? Allows us to select one item at a time. At a time. Whereas list box allows us to select more than one item at a time. More than one item at a time by holding control key. By holding control key. Super. Right, boss. Now tell me here. Input type is equal to checkbox. Input type is equal to checkbox. Combo box, radio button, same thing. But appearance is same. Appearance is same, guys. Space utilization is different. But overall, yes, same. Both are purpose-wise same. Input type is equal to checkbox. Name is equal to hobbies. Name is equal to HB, guys. Name is equal to HB. And I want to see this one selected. I want to see checked. Standalone attributes. Standalone attribute means the attribute presence itself gives the meaning, guys. The attribute presence itself gives the total meaning. Okay, fine. Name is equal to HB. Okay. Value is equal to reading. Here is my reading books. Reading. Here is my reading books. Nice, boss. Next. Copy this. Paste it. Okay. Next HB. This one I don't want to see in selected mode. Watching. This is my watching TV. Yeah, yesterday we discussed it. Seems I'm getting some memory of that kind. Next, checkbox HB stamp collection. Stamps, stamp collection. Stamp collection, guys. Next. HB music, listening to music. Original hobbies, you know, sleeping, eating, roaming. These are the original hobbies, right? Surfing net, watching YouTube videos or Facebook videos that are coming in the. Come on, listening to music. Listening to music. Anyone studied success mail that I have kept yesterday night? Success mail I have kept yesterday night. Right. Project manager also my student. So now they are sitting and chatting about old memories. So see, if you do hard work, everything will support you guys. Come on. Right. Checkbox. Reading books, watching TV, stamp collection, Music, listening to music. Now listen, boss. By giving multiple checkboxes, by giving same name to multiple checkboxes, we can group them into single unit. But they allow us to select zero or more items. They allow us to select zero or more items at a time. Understanding my statement, guys? They allow us to select zero or more items at a time. By giving same name, by giving same name to multiple checkboxes, we can group them into single unit. By giving same name to multiple checkboxes, we can group them into single unit and okay, and they will allow us to select zero or more items. They allow us to select zero or more items. Understanding my statement, guys? So radio button, we can select one item at a time. But when it comes to checkboxes, we can select zero or more items. Are you listening my statement here, guys? Are you seriously listening my statement? There's a difference between checkboxes grouping and this. Checkboxes grouping and check this one. Right. Giving same name. Okay, giving same name. Sir, how to read this value, sir? Single value, it will allow us to select. In servlet component, come on. In servlet, how to? At a time, you will get single value only. Single gender is equal to request dot. Use common sense. Come on. Request dot get parameter of gender. Request dot get parameter of gender. Okay. Single value. You gives F male or female. Gives male or female. Ma, tell me, at a time we select one item or multiple items? Multiple items. So then we have to use what? Array. We have to use array. What is the array? String. String hobbies array. HB's array. Request dot get parameter values of HB. Request dot get parameter values of HB. Come on, guys. Okay, HBS array holds. HBS array holds. What is that? Holds. Reading comma holds. Reading comma watching as the values. Reading comma watching as the values. If two checkboxes, starting two checkboxes are selected. 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 Are you comfortable, guys? Are you getting my point there or not there? Yes. One more thing, guys. While working with, sir, request dot get parameter values is a predefined method. When predefined method says I will return array, how can you change it, boss? Sritam, can you change the signature of predefined methods? When one method says, one predefined method says I give X, can you make it Y? Then why are you getting that thought? If it is your method, you may do that, but it is giving array. If you are happy, take it. Otherwise, leave it. Go for alternate. Otherwise, create your own method. Otherwise, create your own method. Got it, boss? Okay, guys. While working with, what is that? While working with select box, while working with select box. Next, while working with select box, while working with select box. After that, what next? What is the next story? List box, check boxes. Next, radio button, radio buttons. Okay, the selected items content, selected items content will not go to server as request param values. Okay, the data kept in value attribute of selected item goes to server. What is this? Value attribute of selected item goes to server as request parameter value. Yes, that is what I said now, guys. Selected item go na or value attribute value will go na. Right. Next, we can take single checkbox. We can take single checkbox because it allows us to select or deselect. It allows us to go for select or deselect. Come on. But don't take single radio button. Single radio button. Come on. Once selected, we cannot deselect. That's why in your life, did you ever seen single radio button, guys? Okay. We cannot deselect. Once selected, we cannot deselect. I hope you got a clarity, guys. Come on. Are you enjoying my point there or not? Are you getting my point there or not? Come on, guys. Right. Okay. This is one more point, boss. Next, see, we can see all the things over here, guys. All the things over here, they are appearing over here. Next, boss, hobbies are over. File uploading component, I will take up separately. Today, you don't worry about it. But now some advanced components are there. Advanced components are there. Date of birth, guys. Date of birth. Yeah, old browsers won't display these advanced components. So that's why be careful, guys. Input type is equal to Yeah, see here, most of the components can be prepared using input only. Okay, date time. I'll take date. Date of birth is date. Date of birth is date. See, old browser is still showing what here? A text box. But you try to run this application into Chrome browser. Latest browsers are showing that. Latest browsers are showing that one, guys. Yeah, if you want to know about any new component, just type the tag. Yeah, better to configure welcome file, guys. Oh, web.xml is not added. No problem, we'll add it. Others, if not there, you can make XML, XML. Here is my web.xml, guys. Say next, say finish. Here is my web.xml. Say next, say finish. Okay, now tell me web app opening and closing, guys. What is that? Web app opening and closing. Here is my welcome file list. Welcome file list. What is this? Welcome file form.html. Okay, form dot. Today, this. Okay, anyhow, screen is open. Okay, as I announced the other day, I am also starting one more new batch. Spring Basics, Spring Boot, Cloud and Microservices. The people who already know Spring, they can come and attend because for them Spring Boot and microservices will be discussed. The people who don't know, okay, Spring also they can come because I am going to teach first Spring Basics, then Spring Boot, then microservices, cloud and microservices. Right now here, okay, when you join this course, you will get Angular 11 course or React JS course free. Okay, by Sudhakar Sharma sir, completely free, boss. Hmm. In-depth content will be discussed. Okay, fine. No, no, it is March 18th. It is not Feb 18th. It is March 18th. Okay. Fee structure still not decided. They are saying around 5 to 6,000, but I will let you know. I will let you know. Okay. I will let you know. Right. So prerequisite core Java and JDBC. If you have core Java, JDBC can anything in advanced Java. Okay. Core Java is mandatory, guys. But parallel, you have to do advanced Java. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah. The people are planning to show 4 years experience, 3 years experience, 2 years experience. Definitely can think seriously about this course. Definitely can think seriously about this course. Okay. Right. Yeah. In between Angular and React, you have to choose one course, guys. Listen, you are a fresher, you have a time. Then learn plain Spring, plain Hibernate, then come for this course. No, sir, you don't have time. Directly you can join this course. Both are okay. Both are okay. In Spring Basics, those topics will be discussed that are required for entering into Spring Boot, guys. Interview concepts. mm, Uh, React JS is having little edge. Both are 50-50. React JS is having little edge. Okay. So you have a time, learn core Java, advanced Java, Spring, Hibernate, then come for this course. You don't have time, okay, then you can choose this course directly. That's what I did. I designed this course in two angles. The people who know Spring then come and they can come and enjoy. The people who don't know Spring also they can and come and enjoy. Okay. If you are showing experience, okay, since you don't have time, you can come to this course directly. So generally duration I say 100 to 120 session, here also same thing. Saubhagya, you can take JDBC and this course parallelly, not a problem. Plain Spring new batch takes time, guys. Takes time, takes time. It takes time. Will be there. Plain Hibernate, plain Spring also will be there, but it takes time. Nice, boss. Tell me, checkbox, checkbox. Right. When JDBC, mostly 4 p.m., March 2nd week or 3rd week. Swaroop Sarkar, 9 p.m. 9 p.m. I cannot, boss. I have to company to handle. I have the company to handle, guys. So I cannot give 9 p.m. After 7:30, I will be busy in some other works. Servlet, how many sessions are? Servlet is a big topic, boss. It needs more time. It needs more time. SRC, new, sir, JSP will start after servlets. Shall we get into the discussions, guys? Okay. Now let me run this one in an advanced browser so that you can feel how does it looks. Form.html, guys. Form.html, guys. Yes. See this, guys. Date of birth. Date of birth. MMDDYY format is coming or not? MMDDYY format. And you click on it, you will get calendar. You will get, this is advanced components, guys. You will get calendar to choose. Like this, we have a lot of advanced component. Today, my focus is on developing this thing. Time of birth. Time of birth. Here we have a time component also. We have a time component also. Yeah, what quality, what depthness, what analyzation, what real-time practices. See, form validation practices, write both client-side, server-side form validation, but enable server-side only when client-side form validations are not done. We studied that point or not? Come on. Like that, like that. Like that, we are going to study the subject. No, see, I don't touch the subject. If I touch the subject, I will be giving depthness. You know that my style of things. Okay, right. Slowly, I'm entering into Java real-time project. I will be dealing UI technologies. So slowly, I will be taking entire Java full stack course, guys. Entire Java full stack course I'm planning to handle. Okay. So a lot of discussions are happening with management. Okay. So entire full stack will be handled by me except core Java, because at this stage I cannot talk about. At this stage I cannot talk about how to declare variable, how many data types are there in Java. Okay, how int variable allocates how much memory, float variable allocates how much memory. So it's good to teach, but I somehow we are into application development. My mind is towards what? Problem solution, architecture, design pattern, layers. We are thinking big things, right? Right. Okay. That's why learn core Java from our dear faculty Harkrishna sir and come to me, and I will take care of end to end everything. I'll take care of end to end everything, including tools, including advanced topics, frameworks, everything I will take care. Fine. Okay, let's come back. Time of birth, guys. Refresh. See this, see this. Arey, why this is not supporting? I should type. No, boss. Time should come na, boss. Maybe this browser is not supporting, stupid browser. Let's take Chrome browser, guys. Let's take Chrome browser. Yes, we got a time. AM, PM, hour, minute. AM, PM, hour and minute. AM, PM, hour and minute. We are getting time of birth, guys. See, these are advanced components, guys. Next one, favorite color. You will get a color chooser, guys. Favorite color. Color chooser. Right. Refresh. See, color picker will come. Color picker will come. Check it out. Yeah, life is easy, boss, with advanced components, guys. You can choose the color. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. We can choose the color. Mm. Easy, easy. Life becomes easy. Next, email ID. Text box with some built-in validations. Text box with built-in validations. Email. Input type is equal to text email. Text box with the built-in validations. Okay. Now you observe, refresh. Email. Okay. Observe very carefully. You type 1, 2, 3 kind of thing. Yeah. When you click on submit button, you will get error, guys. Or when you go to other text box, you will get error. Because at the rate and dots, see this? Please include at the rate in the email address. 1, 2, 3 is missing an at the rate symbol. Are you able to see that? One small, one small placeholder has come, tooltip has come. Did you notice that? With the built-in validations, guys. So what is the final component? HTML file offers advanced components and text boxes with advanced components and text boxes with, come on guys, built-in validations. Built-in validations. Okay. Built-in validations. Okay. FB URL. I want to see end user typing Facebook URL, guys. FB URL. I want to see end user typing FB URL. Input type is equal to URL. Yes, we have another website, another component called URL, guys. FB URL. Suppose A, B, C, D, I have written like this. Now you observe, it is not a valid URL. You will get the message, wait for some time. Okay. Array, that star symbol we have to keep, guys. When required rule is there, you have to add the star symbol. See, please enter a URL. You type like this. Array, star symbol beside text box, that is our choice. My dear, please. http://fb.com. Now it is a valid URL. Now you are not getting any error. Check it out. When I typed proper URL, it is not giving error. So that means it is with built-in validations or not. Okay. Mobile number. Mobile number. Mobile number. Yes, I think tel is there. Tel is there. Telephone is there. Refresh. Mobile number, guys. See, you type mobile number, not a issue. But you try to type alphabets. You try to type alphabets. You try to type alphabets. Okay, when you add the submit button, you will get idea about it. Okay. Yes, guys. Next, what are the other components that we want to cover, guys? color, email, file I will discuss, hidden I will discuss, image, month, month is also there, number is also there. Password we discussed. Okay, reset, text, week, month also. Okay, no problem. Range is also there. Okay, mobile number, tell. Salary range, guys. Salary range. Input type is equal to range. Input type is equal to range. Next. Input type is equal to range. Min value. See, min value 10,000. Max value 1 lakh. Max value 1 lakh or 10 lakh, whatever it is. Next. Birth week. Okay, birth week. I'm sharing every day. Harshal, you are not updated. Am I not sharing code in the Git every day, boss? Yesterday also I shared, it seems. Okay, birth week. Birth week. Yes. Yes, life, it becomes easy. I said, na, week. It allows us to choose the week, guys. Birth month. Birth month. Yes, month, guys. It allows us to choose the month. Okay, guys. Refresh. Right, guys. Okay, now let's see. Right. Week is coming, guys. We can select the week. Which week you want, you can select it, guys. Okay, you can select 1 week. June. Okay. 22nd week. Week 22nd. Sorry, week number we can select. Suppose birth year. Okay, year is what? 1980. Week day. No, it's not week. Week. So array HTML is not strictly typed, guys. Keeping slash, keeping double quotes for attribute is purely optional. Okay. 17 June, 17 June this. Which week you have selected, that week will come. Month, which month you have selected, that month will come. Year is coming. You go top, 27, this. Right. Salary range can be increased or decreased. Mobile number with predefined validations. Yeah. Closing tag. All these are this one, guys. Optional. HTML is not a strictly typed. I keep on telling. Okay, I'm ending the story, guys. TR opening and closing. TR opening and closing. One cell submit button. Input type is equal to submit. Input type is equal to submit. Value is equal to send. Another cell, input type is equal to reset. Value is equal to cancel. Yeah, right now, range is not visible as of now. Okay, right. Maybe you have to give tooltip. You have to give tooltip. Placeholder you have to place. What is this? Reset. Reset. Here is my cancel. Here is my cancel, guys. Yes, guys. Submit button. Send request. Are because of hobbies, somehow things are going wrong, guys. 1 minute. If I can make hobbies bit shorter by adding one new line, then entire form looks very smart, guys. Entire form looks very smart. Yes, guys. Right. I think you enjoyed. Generally, people learn basic HTML4 3 components, but I have introduced HTML5 components also because we have to have up to date. What's the advantage of HTML5 components, guys? Okay, HTML5 components helps us, okay, to give advanced components and text boxes with built-in validations. So most of the validation, they only take care. Small validation, regular validations, okay, automatically take care. If you are not happy, you can write on your own also. They give, if you don't like, if you feel happy, you can write on your own also. Right. Tomorrow, we will discuss how to read values from these boxes and how to use in our servlet component with business logic. Day to day, our confidence is increasing or not increasing? Day to day, our confidence is increasing or not increasing? Okay, guys. Now listen carefully. Okay. Tomorrow onwards, you prepare to stay up to 12:40. 12:40, 11:15 to 12:40, 12:45. I will take the session because 11:15 to 12:40, 12:45. I will take the session. Okay, please. Array list, array when predefined method is array, what is the use of taking list collection? Form.html code you want, I will share, don't worry. GitHub I will give. Swaroop Sarkar, ask doubt, don't say I have doubt. Don't drag the time like that. B. Vinay Kumar, one day I will talk how service method is internally calling. Internally calling do get do post method, I will talk. Method of array list, any new object will be created. See boss, if sublist method return type is list collection, definitely new object has to be created now, guys. Check the documentation once. Muhammad says then Naukari is more than sufficient, guys. Some Facebook groups also. Sritam, don't keep India as the first element. Take I to take other than take India as the second element. Make first element as the dummy item. Then your problem is solved. When we'll start next Hibernate? Based on the availability of the slots, guys. Vinay Kumar, you have to place a return statement in the on submit method call. You are asking same thing which is discussed, guys. Return statement before on submit call. At least keep the reference code with you, na boss. Okay. Swaroop Sakar, I really don't know sublist method signature and documentation. Please go through once. Please go through once. Maybe uh, some internal reference sharing will be there. Check it out. Better to learn React and Angular. React is bit edge is there, but both are 50-50. Maybe React is 51, Angular is 49 kind of thing. Next Hibernate batch, when slot is free. Naveen, you can start new batch or you can do old style also. Since you are a fresher, you have both options. It's up to you. Shashi Kumar, it's all about time management. It's all about time management. Sritam, then check on change event once. There is a group called Chetana. Please work out that. Faisal Sheikh, remove the server and add the server one more time. Your problem is solved. Offline. Next new two batches. Next 7 a.m. batch. March 18th batch will be offline and online together. Swaroop Sarkar, read the API documentation once, please. Read the API documentation once. To learn Angular or React, you should have a complete JavaScript knowledge. If you learn Hibernate, you will enjoy. Hibernate is not prerequisite, but if you want to enjoy Spring Boot, if you want to learn depthness of the Spring Boot, better to do parallelly Hibernate. Better to do parallelly Hibernate. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time. P. Vinay Kumar. For that one, you have to use jQuery